Okay, so as I told you before, I put the new chain, I put the central plate as you see, I put this tool just to keep the two half in position on this side, and I put the new link on this side with the proper plate. As you see, I'm screwing inside this link. Then finally we will move over against the plate, we move forward, and then we stop here to put the external plate with the second couple of tools. It's nicely moving forward. Then we will check twice just to be sure that is nicely entering in the center plate, but I mean is moving without no complication apparently. Okay, here we are. It's facing out. I completely bottom out with my tool. Okay. Okay, here we are. Now I stop because I need to change the plate.